So our favorite scammer is at it once again. And now he is saying that men that have to get permission from their wives are little bitchs. Now, for those of you that are married, you understand when you marry someone, you become one. So it doesn't mean you're a bitch, you are now one. So you ask each other just to keep things, if you're married, you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, just watch this short clip of the scammer and what he had to say about men asking their wife.
Does your wife always have to call the shots? Let me tell you the reason why you have to ask your wife. Often hear men like, let me ask my wife first. You want to know why you need to ask your wife? Because even your wife knows that you're a bitch, you can't be a man, and your decisions are so poor they can't be trusted. So your wife has to be the husband and the man of the house as well, because you can't even be a man. And your wife knows this. Let's talk to your wife and ask her.
And do you really want to hire a so-called CEO that talks about people that are fat? Which this screenshot here is a shot at me, but I don't care. I'm happy with the way I look. I'm not trying to be a model or anything like that. So yeah, there's that. Happy who I am. I'm happy with helping people. That's what credit repair is all about. But the other thing this channel is about is exposing scammers, and that's exactly what I'm doing in this video. So if y'all are tired of this, trust me when I say I understand, but this needs to get out to more and more people so they can be warned and not get scammed by this person. Remember, this is a CEO that threatened a guy because he has the guy's social security number. So the guy pissed him off, so he's like, don't forget who's got your social security number. And lastly, I'll leave y'all with this. The interview with one of the people that he threatened is tomorrow, I believe. So hopefully by this weekend, we'll have it posted. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Sunday.